Discrete manufacturers face growing challenges from supply chain disruptions, escalating costs, production bottlenecks, and increasing customer demands for faster, more reliable delivery. Yet many organizations still rely on spreadsheets and siloed software that create blind spots across the business. The result is delayed decisions, operational inefficiencies, and missed opportunities. To stay competitive, manufacturers need a centralized ERP platform that connects production, inventory, purchasing, quality, finance, and customer operations, all in real time. Production planning and control helps manufacturers optimize schedules, balance workloads, reduce downtime, and improve on-time delivery across complex manufacturing operations. Advanced warehouse management improves inventory accuracy with barcode tracking, bin management, real-time inventory tracking, and accelerated warehouse operations. Engineering and BOM management gives manufacturers complete control over multi-level bill of materials, revision management, product structures, and engineering change management. MRP helps manufacturers plan material, ensure material availability, prevent material shortages, reduce excess inventory, and ensure uninterrupted production. Quality management improves compliance with inspections, traceability, non-conformance tracking, and real-time quality monitoring across production. Shop floor data collection provides real-time production visibility by labor tracking, machine monitoring, downtime, and production monitoring directly from the shop floor. From industrial machinery and fabricated metals to aerospace, automotive, electronics, and medical devices, manufacturers across industries rely on intelligent ERP solutions to streamline operations and scale efficiently. OptiPro Manufacturing, powered by SAP Business One, brings together the top ERP capabilities discrete manufacturers need, helping businesses improve efficiency, increase visibility, reduce operational costs, and drive smarter manufacturing. Thank you for watching. To learn more about OptiPro Manufacturing Solutions or schedule a personalized demo, contact our team today. We look forward to helping transform your manufacturing operations.